Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be giving some tricks, insights about how you can increase your membership sales connected to your membership website and the courses, the e-learning that you are offering. Got a load of experience here, have helped loads of clients in this space. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back. So you're wondering, how do you get sales with your either your new membership website or a membership website that you have launched? It's a really important area. But I know this is going to be counterintuitive, but based on my experience, it's an area that a lot of people that launch a membership website haven't really focused on. I know this sounds just a bit potty, really, but it's the truth, folks. So, but in some ways, it's understandable. Sales are hard. Getting people to your website and then converting them is hard, grinding work, folks. And all the other things that you've got to get in place connected to your website and the course and the content, there are a lot of balls up in the air. So your focus tends to drift away from what your focus should be. Now, getting the course done, getting the website done, these are all things that I've covered on this YouTube channel, and you find loads of resources if you look at some of the other videos. And also, I've covered it on the WP Tonic website. There's a load of resources on there. But where the focus tends to drift and it needs to be laser focused is sales, is getting the right message to the right audience. And this is the factor that a lot of people fall down on. So, what advice can I give you? Practical advice. Well, the more you are focused on a particular niche, the more you understand that niche, the more you understand the pain points of that niche, and the more laser focus you are on that niche, the better things will go for you. It's having too broad an audience that leads to a lot of problems when it comes to the successful launch of a membership website and continuing its growth. It is a little bit counterintuitive in its own right, because obviously you feel that you need your content, your membership needs to appeal to the biggest audience possible. No, that's all I can say about that. That leads to failure. Obviously, you can take what I've just said to the extreme, and you can end up with a micro audience, as I call it, an audience of only, worldwide, there might be only audience of 200 people. You could take this to the extreme if you want, but in most cases, you cannot nicheify. That's a word I've created, folks, but I think it's a great word, nicheify. You can't nicheify enough, basically, when it comes. And finding that niche in a broader category and then understanding the language and the key problems that particular niche has, and then utilizing one or two of those problems that your first course or your secondary course, after you've done a successful launch and you're looking for more success, what you're focusing on actually solving for that audience, the more focused your language on your landing page really zero in on the solution rather than a all-embracing feature list that nice but doesn't really induce somebody to actually buy. These are the key things that will determine if your launch, either your first launch or your first course or your secondary launch, is going to be a success. This also comes to marketing in general. It is very unlikely, unless you are a established media expert or influencer on a particular social media platform or a legacy platform, you are a world, national, or industry recognized expert, a publisher, author, commentator. If you haven't got a previous audience, the only way that you're going to get traction is by what I call nichifization. That is finding a niche, really zero in the core problems that niche has, and utilizing a language that really resonates with that target audience. Now, I could go on about this for ages, but I want to keep this video reasonably short. But I've got great news for you. I've written a great article that goes into this in a lot more detail. You'll find the link in the video description. It's totally free. And like I say, it goes into this in a lot more detail. You can also go, after you've read the article, you can book a free consultation with me, one-to-one. That's on the same website. And there's a load of other resources in the video description, free ones, that will help you build your membership business in 2024 and 2025. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. It really does help me and it'd be really much appreciated. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.